About
Hey
domestic.
guys, so today we are in Osaka and I'm actually standing in line for the 551 Haai Nikuman. This is 551 Haai, really famous in Osaka for their pork buns. I actually used to come here all the time in my 20s when I lived here, and I swear it's the best pork buns in Japan. Amazing to me is that this place is so famous now. When I lived here, it was pre-internet, so you know, it was just local people, never a line. This is located in Namba, the middle of Namba. If you go that way, that's where Dotonbori is, that famous Dotonbori. If you go down this street, there's a famous cheesecake shop over there. This is a sweet and sour meatballs, 10 for 420, must have, and the butaman, 2 for 460, so good. A pack of 4, let's dig in. So excited.
いただきます。
美味しい？美味しい？
ラブ。Spicy.
Good? Good? Oh, so good.
So good.
いただきます。Oh my god. Have not had this in so long. It's so juicy. So meaty. The best nikuman in Japan. These are the meatballs. 10 meatballs. You're like sweet and sour. Try it. Please do.
My favorite. I'm flying here for you.
Okay. You flew in just for this. Good. Ooh. Oh.
いただきます。It's nice.
はい、すいません。美味しいですか？
So meaty. This sweet and sour sauce. It's excellent. Cheers, people.
Cheers.
Bye bye, people. I could eat the whole thing by myself. It was so good.
I'm gonna get, Lawrence is getting the azuki. I'm getting chocolate. And my friend's getting matcha, and then Satoshi's getting fruit. Hi. So I decided to get the chocolate. This is dessert for us. It's the fruit. This one is azuki. Dozo. Is it good?
Refreshing. I didn't achieve to the fruits.
Okay. Always say, oh, careful. Oh, yeah. How's the azuki?
After the bun and the meatball, this is what I need.
That's what you need. Yeah.
Nice milk taste. Very nice milk taste.
Yeah, milk taste.
Yeah.
Really? Wow. And this one is the matcha, right? That my friend's having. Great. I like the chocolate because it reminds me of malted chocolate. Reminds me of that. And it's sweet. It's not overly sweet. What am I saying? And it kind of reminds me of like frozen cocoa, you know what I mean? It's delicious. Now we're just taking a walk along Ebisu-bashi Suji. This is the very busy Shotengai shopping street in Osaka. Super, super busy. Strawberry Mania on this corner here has really good strawberry desserts. A lot of souvenirs can be found at pharmacies like this. I don't really know the quality or anything like that because I don't usually buy them. You'll find lots of octopus souvenirs because of takoyaki. Osaka's known for takoyaki. And guess what, guys? It's such a beautiful day today. It was raining a lot back in Tokyo, but the couple of days I've been here in Osaka, it's been great. Wow, look at this. Look at this huge, huge plate of spaghetti and cream puffs. Wow, and fried rice. Look at this curry here for 10 people. Wow. they actually serve these here. It'd be a great shop to visit with a group of people, I think. Alright guys, so we are in a station called Okonomiya. I used to live here, and for some strange reason my friend from Hawaii wants to revisit my old apartment, which was haunted. I'm not even sure if it still exists, but let's check it out. So I lived about maybe like a 10-minute walk away from the station. I don't quite remember. It could be 7, 8, 9. I was from Hawaii, so I wasn't used to walking a lot. But yeah, but the view from my apartment building was this freeway and Osaka Castle. That's all I remember. I think I've talked about this haunted apartment in a past video a long time ago. Maybe I would talk about it one of these days. I don't feel like talking about it now because we are visiting it right now. So many memories. When I first came here, I was 17 years old. I lied about my age. I said I was 18, but I was going to be 18 in a couple of months, so I just said I was 17 because you had to be 18 for this job. So I lied and I came to Japan, but I have so many memories here, so many good and bad memories. I believe we're almost there. Is it still there? I am literally getting goosebumps now, coming closer to the apartment. Let's see. Oh, I see it. I think it's the one way over there. I think it's that one over there. You know, the end with the balconies facing out? Because I remember the balconies were facing the freeway, and you could see the castle as well. So that must be the building. Why am I breathing hard suddenly? Isn't it strange? I never thought I would be feeling this way. My friend wanted to come here, which is why I'm here. But anyways, that brown building, that orangey-ish beige building, I lived on the top floor, I think. Anyway, I never thought I would be feeling this way. I'm literally getting goosebumps on my arm. And I don't know, I'm a little bit scared. I have no reason to be scared though. Oh my goodness, we're just about there. I can't believe this building is still here. I lived here in the 80s, like 1984. Oh my goodness, this is the building right here. The reason why they say it's haunted is because it was built over a hospital during the war. Anyway, this is the building right here. Oh my gosh. This must be a very ridiculous video for some of you. But anyway, my friend wanted to come here. Oh my god, and that is the elevator hallway. Freaks me out still. Alright guys, so we are in a store right now. This is actually an electronics store, but there is a huge souvenir area. Yeah, look, I never knew you could find like so many souvenirs in the electronics store. There's chopsticks that Lawrence loves. Oh, did you find chopsticks? Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
I'm gonna get it, seriously.
You're gonna get it, really? Oh, they sell matcha here too. Here's some Kit Kats. This is the Mont Blanc Kit Kat. This is actually quite nice. This is for Halloween. Apple pie Kit Kats. Milk tea Kit Kats. This is original with strawberry Kit Kat. Matcha Kit Kat. A whole bunch of green teas here. So this is a strawberry cheesecake. My friend's gonna get it. And this is a sake Kit Kat. I'm curious about that. I love this Lego, the Tranquil Garden. Look at that. Yeah. Himeji Castle Lego. That's nice. This is my recommendation, Jagabi. Oh, it's so good. These are like French fries. Even Mario here at this souvenir shop. Alright guys, we are about to eat dinner at this very hot sauna. We're at an Okonomiyaki place in Osaka.
Yes!
It's so hot.
We are here at the thing.
Oh my goodness.
We're feeling like barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah. Time to make our okonomiyaki. How to make the okonomiyaki is on the wall.
I'm mixing everything.
Yup.
It's
Yusuji.
Okay.
This is beef tendon. Okay, mix it up. This, and I have this. So cook this first, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is squid shrimp and meat. So I'm going to cook this first. You want to see a cooking demonstration? I will give you a cooking demonstration.
Did you do okonomiyaki when you were in Osaka?
Nope, I did not, but okay.
But you never cook.
Nope.
Come on cook for you.
Yep.
Very good, very skillful.
Yes.これ中に入れちゃうの？終わったら。
何回やってるかな。この生地に混ぜちゃう。
生地混ぜちゃう。
そう。I completely mixed. Then pour over the pan. Okay. Nicely. No leftover stuff. Okay, okay. Then wait until it becomes thicker. Yeah, about 10 minutes? 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
And then I think this side's done. This is my way.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just gonna put it right on top. Like this. Yep.
Make the shape.
Yep. I think this is good, right? Something like this.
He called me. I was in a hotel.
I was worried
called me,
because
right?
yeah.
Well
Yay,
done.
you did it! Oh my god, that's perfect. Say, scared. Say, oh shit, I'm scared.
Oh, good.
Okay. Not bad, not bad,
The
not
reason is
bad.
because you're being trying to make the side circle big.
That's true. That's true. So it is ready. So it is time to smother it with the sauce, the okonomiyaki sauce.
But the hotel's not.
We can put more. We can put more, like a lot more.
It's not with someone. It's
A lot more. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah. Okay, that looks amazing. Let's bring some aonori on top.
Second day and fifth day.
Yep, sprinkle. This is aonori seaweed. More. That's good. Thank you very much. Okay, and maybe a little bit more. This is bonito flakes, katsuobushi. Okay, that's good. That's good. Spread it evenly.
This is the first sauce. They have two types of sauce.
Okay. Alright, first sauce. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
and then Lawrence can go ahead and brush this one on.
Oh, brush on.
Yeah. But you can put a lot on. Yeah.
Picasso.
Oh, look at that. Lawrence cooking for the third time in his life. I'm kidding.
More.
Yeah, more.
Don't hesitate.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's good though. I think that's good.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Don't hesitate.
No, it's
Don't
good. This is the aonori seaweed. At least it's not sugar.
So a lot more.
I think that's good.
Actually, there's probably more sugar in here too.
No, there
salt.
isn't.
I mean,
And
salt.
And then
yeah.
this one. No, there isn't
This
actually.
sauce contains
Yeah.
sugar and salt both.
Nori,
Oh,
yeah.
but they didn't have the salt?
Yeah.
Oh, I like
Okay.
this one.
Perfect. Okay.
So, what you do is
Here we go. So we got a mixed okonomiyaki and a shrimp okonomiyaki. No.
Beef tendon.
A beef tendon okonomiyaki. So that's what we're eating first.
no, I'm eating the seafood.
Oh, the seafood, yes.
Mix one.
Oh, no, the mixed one, sorry.
Bon appetit. Ah, it's hot.
Oh, yes, that's right. It's hot.
hot.
Careful. How's it? Is it good? Yeah, good. How is it? It's okay?
Okay.
Okay,
not
good,
salty.
Okay, good. I am cooking the yakisoba noodles. Yeah. So this one is pork, and Sakoshi's one is seafood. Yep. Shrimp. Yeah, if you put it to the side, you can put the noodles on the other side. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Okay. So carefully. Perfect. Hi guys, we just finished eating okonomiyaki at Hatsuse. It was good. The good thing, pros and cons. So the pros is very reasonable prices, like half the price of everywhere else. However, and of course you can make your own okonomiyaki, so that's a lot of fun. But the con is that it's very small and tight. So if you're maybe bigger than me, you might be a bit uncomfortable. I'm 5'9". So if you're bigger than me, definitely think about that. And then also it was very hot. It was quite hot. It felt like you were in a sauna. I was okay, but like my friend Lawrence and my friend Michael, like they were like dying. So anyway, if you don't mind heat and cramped quarters, you might enjoy this place. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care until then. Bye.